What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Moto AK47 bringing you guys back in with another video. Today I am working on my 2019 Silverado remotes. This is my original remote right here that came with the vehicle when I purchased it. My 2019 Silverado now has 68,000 miles on it. Again, this is the original remote that came with it. But as you can see, it's getting old and it's time to replace it. I've got a missing button right here. I purchased a new one off of Amazon. The link for this will be in the description below. I just bought the carcass of a new one. I did not buy one with a new green, let's say, motherboard. But this does have a blank key. So disclaimer, if you guys lost your original key, or if your original key is damaged and you go to purchase this one, just understand that this does come with a new key, but you will have to take this to the dealership to get it programmed and to get this key engraved with your vehicle, so that if you have a dead remote, you can still take this out and get into your vehicle if you have a dead remote. But I also made a video about a year ago now that if you have a dead key fob, you can still start your vehicle and still get to your destination, and you just have to put your key in the transmitter pocket. So if you guys are interested in learning about that, make sure you watch that video on my channel as well. So now, getting into this key fob change here, from going from old to new. Again, I purchased this off of Amazon. The link is in the description below. Came with a keychain and a little screwdriver. I won't be needing it for this video. Sorry about the plane in the background. But first thing you're going to do is take your original key fob here, break it apart. I've already broken mine apart just for the video time's sake, to speed it up, because some of my subscribers have let me know that they want faster videos, so I'm trying to incorporate that and remember that in my videos and speed some of these videos up that I make to get these videos moving along here. So you're going to have to break open your key fob here. So the first thing you'll do is press this button. Your key will come out just like this, your original key. What you want to do is either use both of your thumb and your pointer finger to break this apart and snap it apart, or you can do what other people do, and what it's originally made for is use your key to stick halfway back in there and then twist, and this will pop up. For me, I'm one of those guys that would absolutely break off my key here, and then I'd have a long day ahead of me and an expensive day ahead of me to get this replaced. So I don't want to do that. I haven't done that in the past. I just use my hands because it's easier to do it that way for me personally, because again, I am that guy that would break this. So if you're that person, trust me, just use your hands, snap it apart like you're breaking open a sandwich or something like that, or peeling open a banana, something, whatever you want to think about. So once you get that off, here's your top carcass. You won't need this anymore. Here's your plate here that you're going to need and save. Be careful with this. Do not break anything off in this, because this is what you don't want to have replaced. If you have this already and it works properly, make sure you are doing good by this. Treat it like a newborn baby. You don't want anything breaking on this, because if you take it to the dealership and you break it, you're going to have to get this replaced and reprogrammed to your vehicle, and it won't work properly and it'll be very expensive. Next thing you're going to do, toss that off to the side. Again, take care of it like a newborn baby. Your battery, you're going to switch over your battery first thing to the new carcass. All right, so same thing, same break open process here. I've already taken mine apart. Make sure you see which side the battery comes out of your old carcass and put it in the same way as your new carcass. So it tells you on there as well, plus side down. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. Snapped in. All right, now going to grab our newborn baby again. All right, this will face up. Let me turn this around so you guys watching this video will get it. All right, so our alarm button is at the bottom here. So take our new carcass face here, alarm button at the bottom. All right, so now we've got our battery in. We're going to grab our newborn baby. We're going to grab the face plate of our new key fob, and our newborn baby here, and we're going to put the button side face down. So this is our button side here. This bottom button here is our alarm button, so we know that's going to go at the bottom. So as you guys are looking at it like this, alarm button's at the bottom. Turn this around for you guys. Alarm button here. This has an indentation and groove in it so that you can place this in here properly and set it that it lines up perfectly, and you won't make a mistake putting it in here because it only goes in one way. All right, there it is on. We're going to take our back side here that has our blank key in it. But for you guys that do have your original key here, at the last step will be to simply replace your blank key with your actual original key. Backside going on here. All you're doing is lining up the border and snapping it back into place. Now for me, I like the back side of my original key fob here, so I am actually going to use my old key fob back to put on the new front face housing here. So I'm going to do that off camera for you guys. Sorry about that. So we're snapping in our new front face into our old original backing. Again, I just like the logo, so I'm not using the new one. Alright, now that that's on, all we're going to do is put in our original key, and there you have it. So that is how you change your old, dirty, worn out, buttonless key fob into a new one. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. One last thing, just make sure it works before you finish up the job and throw this one away.